Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Sometimes I feel like Final Cut has this unfair advantage. Like you open it and everything looks clean, smooth and premium by default. And Premiere Pro? Yeah, it can feel like you have to work extra to make things look cinematic. But today I'm gonna prove something. Premiere doesn't lose. You just need the right tools. Because these are the Glass Morph titles, and once you see them, you will realize Premiere can look insanely high-end in literally seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Abhijit from School of Editors. In this video, I'm going to show you these ready-made Glass Morph title templates for Premiere Pro and exactly how you can install and use them. And no, there is no After Effects headache over here. Nothing to be built from scratch. Just import, drag, customize and done. Now before I show you how to install them, let me show you a few examples on screen. Look at this. That glass blur, the soft highlight, the clean motion. This is the kind of title style that instantly make your videos look like a premium documentary or high-end YouTube edit. And the best part is, these are not effects you have to build. These are ready-made titles for you. So even if you're not a designer, you will still make your edits look like you are an actual designer. I personally use this for YouTube intro titles, podcast style guest name tags, even in reels and short form edits when I want that clean and modern look. Basically anywhere you want your text to look polished, one step ahead than everyone. So without wasting time in tweaking fonts, shadows and strokes, and definitely not keyframes. That's a nightmare. Alright, now let's install it. And this is the easiest part. All you need is a downloaded Glass Morph Titles folder and the latest version of Premiere Pro. So first open Premiere Pro. Any project is fine. Now go to the top menu, click Window and make sure Essential Graphics is enabled. Once Graphic Templates opens, click on the Browse tab. Now here's the key part. Take the motion graphic files you downloaded and just drag them directly into this browse panel, and that's it. The moment you drop them here, Premiere installs them automatically. And if you don't see them instantly, just use the search bar and type Glass or Morph, or close the panel once and open it again. Worst case scenario, you can't see them either, restart Premiere Pro and it will show up. Just trust me. Now to use it, just grab any title from the browse panel and drag it into your timeline. Usually you will place it on the V2 above your video. Now click the title flip in your timeline and on the right side you will see the properties panel. That's where you customize everything. From here you can change the title's text, font, size, position, colors, and depending on the template you can also control the glass look, blur strength and even the animation speed. So you are not editing anything from scratch. You are just customizing a preset, and that too in under a minute. So as it stands, you have got a premium glass title setting on your footage. So yeah, Final Cut is clean, I will give it that. But Premiere Pro with the right templates is honestly a beast. If you want this Glass Morph titles, check the link in the descriptions. And if you want, I can also make a quick video showing how to organize your templates in a proper way, so your essential graphics panel doesn't look like a mess. Alright, that's it for this one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.